Okay, so 12 tips for how to be happy alone and single, according to experts. Number 1, set goals. Dapat meron kang goals. Ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? Ano ang pangarap mo? Ha? Yan. A great way to focus on yourself, whether you're single, in a romantic relationship or otherwise, is to set goals for yourself and steadily work toward achieving them. These goals can be personal, career-related, financial, or educational, says licensed mental health counselor Rakna Buksani Mirpuri. Ayan ha. Siya yung owner of Buksani Counseling Care in Florida. Expert yan guys ha. So yung sinishare ko sa inyo, hindi to basta sabi-sabi lang. Yung mga sinishare ko sa inyo, may reference ako. Na? Okay. So sabi nga, ito naman natutunan ko sa mga seminars na na-attendan ko, ayan, kapag ikaw ay single, no, i-grow mo ang iyong self-worth. Net worth. Ayan. Yan ang i-grow mo, no? Habang single ka pa. Okay? Huwag kang hanap ng jowa. No? Huwag mong hanapin ang happiness mo sa isang jowa, sa ibang tao. Dapat ang happiness nasa iyo yan. Dapat dala-dala mo yan. Dapat happy ka whether or not may jowa ka. Ganon. Okay? Now, kung happy ka na, keep improving. Kailangan nag-grow ka every day, no? And again, you don't compete with other people. You compete with yourself yesterday. So, keep improving yourself. Yan. Maganda na pinapalaki mo yung net worth mo. Okay, bakit? Kasi lahat tayo tatanda, no? Hindi tayo forever 25, hindi ka forever 18, no? Tatanda at tatanda ka. Sa bawat taon na lumilipas, nadadagdagan ang edad mo. Kaya naman, palakihin mo yung net worth mo. Ano yung net worth mo? Ano ang value? Magkano ang laman ng bank account mo? Ganyan. Net worth. Palakihin mo yung net worth mo habang single ka pa. Sabi ni Jerry, wedding nga. Di wag kang maniwala. Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sinasabi ko, scroll up. Okay. Kung sa palagay mo, hindi naman nakakatulong yung mga pinagsasabi ko, scroll up. Doon ka sa mga AI. Ayan. No? So yun, grow your net worth. Okay? Pasasalamatan mo ang sarili mo balang araw kung ikaw ay nag-ipon at nag-invest ng maaga. Kasi mas maaga kang makakapag-retire, mas maaga mong ma-enjoy ang buhay. Okay? So, set goals habang ikaw ay single, no? Again, ang topic ko is 12 tips for how to be happy alone and single. Hello, Annie! Ayan. Andito na si Annie from Japan. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Manjuan. Diba, Ma'am Annie? Hindi naman kailangan na meron kang jowa para masabi masaya ka. Diba? Ayan. A relationship does not define you. A relationship does not define your happiness. Okay? Okay, so yun. 12 tips for how to be happy alone and single according to experts. So, number 1, set goals. Number 2, okay, anong gagawin mo? Prioritize your self-care. Okay? Come on in, Manjuan. Shoutout sa'yo, Manjuan from Japan. Dance Marie. Love yourself first. Oo. Alagaan mo muna yung sarili mo. Baka naman kasi kaya wala kang jowa kasi mukha kang dugyot. Ray Lagulaw, Balor, good morning. Prioritize your self-care. No? Self-care can mean many things. But Buksani Mirpuri says, paying special mind to movement, nutrition, and meditation are all especially worthwhile ways to take care of your body, mind, and soul. Dedicating time each day to oral care, skincare, and other activities that bring your mind peace and joy are also worth incorporating, she says. Baka pressure din. Ayan, no? Self-care. Magpaganda ka hanggat kaya mo. Magpagwapo ka, ganyan. Pag meron kang budget, magagawa mo yan. Mahirap kasi kumilos pag wala kang budget, no? Pag merong budget, kaya nga guys, kanina sabi ko sa inyo, palakihin nyo yung net worth nyo. Because, pag meron kayong budget, makakakilos kayo. Okay? Wala man kayong jowa, magagawa nyo ang gusto nyong gawin, no? Isa sa mga yan is traveling. Ayan, masarap mag-travel. Hindi kailangan may kasama ka sa Paris. Para masabi lovers in Paris. No. Pumunta ka doon kahit mag-isa ka. Pumunta ka sa iba-ibang lugar na kahit mag-isa ka. Travel. Kasi malay mo, doon sa travel na yon, doon mo makita yung special someone mo. Diba? Malay mo, no? So again, while you're still single, while you're still searching, keep improving yourself. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. No, yung mga isyo, hindi tayo nagtatanggap, ha? Pa-co-host ng ibang, ng mga alien. Okay. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Yung pagbibisyo, hindi yan nakakatulong sa'yo. Okay? Yun yun. No? Then again, we have choices. So, kung choice mo magbisyo, ay di bahala ka sa buhay mo. Okay? So again, prioritize your self-care. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Dahil, kapag ikaw ang nagkasakit, ikaw ang nanghina, paano ka magke-care sa iba? Diba? Ganun lang yan eh. Paano ka magke-care sa iba kung yung sarili mo hindi mo maalagaan? Paano mo puprotektahan ng ibang tao, lalo na ang mahal mo, kung ikaw mismo hindi mo kayang alagaan at protektahan ang sarili mo? So, prioritize self-care. Okay? All right. Sabi dito, realizing that the most important relationship we'll ever have is the one with ourselves is an important step to achieving contentment in any situation. Ano to? Si Loco Moco. Pa-shoutout po from Rancho Guapito, Sitio, Di Kaiiwan, Mapagmahal Street, Barangay, Mapag-Alaga, Quezon City! Shoutout sa'yo. Ayan, sana masaya ka na. Ayan, the practice of self-love is essential for happiness. Okay, realizing that the most important relationship we will ever have is the one with ourselves is an important step to achieving contentment in any situation. Salamat, Dr. Love. Long time no see. Nax naman. Tencho. Ayun. Self-love is the key, guys. Salamat sa pagdaan. Dumaan, tas may nagpaulan ng gift. Tencho. Sa Happy Sabado. Ay, Sabado na kasi dito. Friday pa lang sa kanila. Ayun, no? So, guys, self-love. Ha? O, number 3 na. Ano ang gagawin mo to be happily single? Para maging happily single, mag-journal ka daw. Magsulat-sulat ka ba? Journaling is another form of self-care. Ito, I practice this, guys, no? Yan. Journaling is another form of self-care that can help create a space to unload and process your thoughts and feelings. Sabi naman yan ni Rachel Wright, LMFT, a psychotherapist who focuses on sexual health, relationships, and mental health. Ayan. So, ang recommendation niya ay mag-journal kayo. Diary, no? Diary. Hindi na uso yung diary nga yata ngayon eh. Pero ako kasi talagang nag-journal ako. Ang journal ko naman is gratitude journal naman sa akin. Naglilista ako ng mga lahat ng mga pinagpapasalamat ko every day. Ayan. Experiencing and expressing gratitude for all that we have helps us to not focus on what we might be missing. Buksani Mercury says, no? So yun nga, kapag nagjo-journal ka ng about gratitude, kung ano yung mga pinasasalamatan mo araw-araw, yung focus ng utak mo napupunta dun sa mga positive things. Ayan. Dun sa masasaya. So, nadide-focus yung utak mo sa paghahanap ng jowa. Kung ikaw ay jowang-jowa na, wala ka naman jowa. Yan, gawin mo yan. Kawawa. Ayan, so mental health is connected to our perspective on situations. So looking at being single as a beautiful gift of time, when we can focus on what is important to us and achieving our goals can ensure that we feel differently about the situation. Gets nyo, ha? Number 4 na tayo. 5 million viewers in the house. Balor sa inyong lahat. Happy Sabado. Know your worth. Number 4. Okay. Good morning, Sir na Rachel. Ayan, balor. Kamusta ang Singapura? Ayan na, guys. So, yon, how to be happily single. 12 tips to, no? Hindi ko alam kung matatapos ko kasi it's 7:21. 8 o'clock, exactly 8 o'clock ako ay mag-end live, guys, ha? Baka mga before 8 o'clock mag-end live ako. No? Kasi, ano kami ngayon ni Bunso, may lakad kami. Ayan. Shoutout sa ating 5 million viewers in the house. Number 4, know your worth. Ang sinabi nang hindi ako nagpapako-host ng alien. Okay, know your worth. Ha? Remember, happiness doesn't need to be dependent on any outside person or thing. Relationships, when healthy, are wonderful and add to our lives. Ayan. However, the absence of them does not mean that your life is incomplete. Says Buksani Murpuri, ito na nga, no? Hindi ibig sabihin na wala kang jowa, malungkot ang buhay. Hindi ganun yun, ha? Happiness doesn't need to be dependent on any outside person. Dapat ang happiness mo nandyan, sa'yo, nasa loob mo, dala-dala mo kahit saan ka pumunta. Ganun, okay? Understanding that you are a complete person whose self-esteem develops from what you do in your life and how you contribute to making a difference for the greater good and not from any singular relationship in your life will help you gain perspective and navigate situations. Ganun, understanding, naiintindihan mo ba na ikaw ay isang kompletong individual, kompleto ka. No, huwag mong sasabihin, yung linyahang parang ang sweet-sweet kasi ng linya, you complete me. Charing. Okay, yung mga ganong linyahan, guys, no, hindi natin ina-encourage because you are a complete person. You are a complete individual. Kompleto ka. Hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para kumumpleto sa'yo. Ha? Ganun. Okay. Sige. Get outside. Lumabas ka daw. Research shows that spending time outdoors can be good for our mental health. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, guys. Travel. Travel alone. Adventure yan. With that in mind, Wright recommends going on a weekly hike or setting aside dedicated time each week to enjoy everything nature has to offer. Okay? Whether that's a picnic, a walk around the block, a trip to the beach, a dip in a lake, or simply standing with your bare feet planted on the grass as a means to ground yourself, make sure to get out there. Lumabas kayo ng bahay. Lumabas kayo ng bahay. Alam nyo, maganda yung nasa yung sa ilalim kayo ng puno, yung malaking puno, guys, na yung may malilim, ayan. Yung energy ng puno daw, nakakatch daw yan. Naku, di po tayo nakikikoho sa alien. Okay, so yan, i-absorb nyo yung freshness ng energy ng puno. Makakatulong sa inyo yan. Kahit gano'n, kaya i-enjoy nyo yung sight ng magandang garden. Ganyan. Kawawa naman to. Ang pangalan niya, pagod na ako sa'yo. Ay, kawawa ka. Focus on yourself kasi yung mga ganyang pangalan. Sus, Ginoo. Number 8, book a vacation. Sabi niya ganyan. Yun nga, not travel. No? Just because you're single doesn't mean you can't take a once-in-a-lifetime trip to make memories for yourself. Travel. No? So that's why Buksani Mirpuri says that being alone, when you don't have to contend with another person's schedule or priorities for the trip itself, actually might mark the best time to finally book your dream trip. Diba? Actually, mas maganda nga pag single ka eh. Kasi kailan mo maisipan, di ba? Mag-book ka ng trip. O, kaya lang, ang tanong, may budget ka ba? Hello, Zel! Shoutout sa'yo! Zel C28. Good morning. Isa sa mga friendship ko sa TikTok, si Ma'am Zel. Ayan. Famous yan, pero napakabait. Ayan. Napakaganda si Ma'am Zel C28. Ayan. Ang topic ko po is how to be happily single. No? Ayan. Mag-travel kayo. Yun nga ang kagandahan when you're single, no? Wala kang kailangan konsultahin na schedule ng iba. Kasi yung schedule mo lang ang tinitingnan mo. Diba? You can go on a trip anytime you want. Pagka ikaw tinopa ka, ay gusto kong pumunta ng ganito, punta ka. Mag-book ka ng trip, diba? At ang kalahalagahan na meron kang budget, may kakayanan ka, makakakilos ka. So that's why habang single ka, mag-ipon ka, mag-invest ka para may panggastos ka. Okay. Volunteer somewhere. Sabi dito. Sabi niya, dito po ba'y nagpaparaffle ng baka? Ay, hindi. Pumunta ka sa kabilang channel. Doon, maraming paraffle doon. Dito wala akong pinaparaffle doon. Volunteer somewhere. There's no denying the sense of joy you'll feel when you give back to others. And you don't need a romantic partner to facilitate that event. Diba? No? Volunteer your time to make a difference to others. Tumulong ka. We all know the benefits of helping others in need. So take that time to contribute to a cause that you believe in. Ayan, no? Again, ang topic natin is how to be happily single. Ito yung mga pwede nyong gawin habang kayo ay single. Find solace in spirituality. Okay. Buksani Merpuri says, leaning on your spirituality can help significantly when working on learning how to be happy alone. Ano dito? Grandpa's account pa ka mga babae. Ay, wala po akong pinaparaffle dito. Lumipat po kayo ng iba. Scroll up po, scroll up. Buksani Merpuri says, leaning, ayan, spirituality. No? Practicing spirituality can help people gain in acceptance of situations and let go of the desire to control that which is not in their hand. Okay? So, hindi natin kayang i-control ang ibang tao. No? Yung sarili lang natin ang kaya natin kontrolin. Yung reaction natin, ganyan, ganun lang. So, kung meron kayong mga ideya, kung meron kayong mga opinion, hindi nyo pwedeng ipilit yan sa ibang tao. Okay, hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin at ipilit na hindi ganito. Cannot be barawan. So, kapag hindi nyo gusto yung mga pinagsasabi ko, scroll up. Maraming ibang naka-live dyan. Hahanap kayo ng mga parapol? Wag dito. Scroll up. Ganon kasimple, ganon kadali. Wag nyo i-complicate ang buhay. Happy Sabado sa 6 million viewers in the house. Guys, time check, it's 7:28 Manila, Philippines time. So number 11, build your support system. Just because you're single doesn't mean that you're alone. Your friends form your support system and you are a part of theirs. Buksani Merpuri says, take time to foster these very valuable relationships. Surround yourself with family and friends who enrich your life and help you become the best version of you. Hi, ate! Sabi ni MM Sabado. Good morning sa'yo, MM Sabado. Shout out sa ating 9 or 8 million right now, no? Wilson Centeno 07, good morning. Chris San Halarbalor, good morning. Number 12, don't be afraid to seek therapy. Kapag ikaw ay bugbog na bugbog, mentally, emotionally, physically, don't be afraid to seek therapy. Don't be afraid to seek help. Humingi ka ng tulong kapag kailangan mo ng tulong. Hindi pwedeng mag-isa ka lang. Wag mong kayanin lahat-lahat. Humingi ka ng tulong. No? Talking to a therapist is always recommended to help develop a realistic perspective. Practicing mindfulness by living in the here and now and experiencing every moment to the fullest is extremely helpful in dealing with feelings of loneliness or worry about future. I'm always happy single life.